Hey everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. Couple of things I want to talk about. First of all, Paulette and Zurn at Printables for Your Junk Journaling with TLC were nice enough to feature me and Diane yesterday or Friday with a party to help get subscribers. Now I had 244, I think it was, subscribers at the beginning of the day. And as of today, I have 629. So I want to thank Paulette and Zurn so very much for doing this for me. It's such a great help. It's just amazing, and I just really can't thank them enough. So that was one thing I wanted to speak about. Another thing I want to talk about was I have a kit here that I'm going to be doing a journal for, and it's from Janeybjournals, and it's called Song of the Moon. So this is just a beautiful kit here. I've got that page. This is going to be on my outside cover. This is going to be a cover to one of the signatures, and then this is going to be the other cover to the signature. And I'm going to do this in a twig bound style. My grandson's birthday is coming up on St. Patrick's Day, so he's going to be 20, and I'm going to do this for him. So here's another page. This will be on the inside. And then we got that one. Got this beautiful moon and those flowers up there. This is very pretty with the writing in the background, little wispy clouds, and just like a little fog. This was one of the other ones that I'm for the cover, signature cover there. This one, look at that owl. He's just so gorgeous. So pretty. And then we've got this deer and the geese flying at night sky. Here's one with a wolf. And then we have this night sky with a little bit of text in the background, and looks like it's either stars or snowflakes, but it's just beautiful. So I'm going to be using this kit for his journal. What I want to show you is I did this technique on my old ship journal, and I don't like just having the plain blank pages, but I have an inkjet printer, so I can't coffee dye it after the fact, and sometimes my printer doesn't like paper that's already coffee dyed, as we know how it gets the little crinkles on the edge. As much as I iron, I can't get them all out, so I don't like to waste paper like that when it just decides it's going to rip its shreds. So I saw this. Gi Kerr did this in one of her videos, and she just put a tea bag in a little cup of boiling water. And what she did was just like swiped it across the pages. And I thought that was pretty cool. And so then I thought, well, I wonder what would happen if I just dabbed it. So this is what I did. Looks like my tea bag might be leaking a little bit. Little tea leaves there. Oh well, that'll just add character. So I just dabbed it like this. And I thought that made a very interesting background, and so simple. So that's all you do. I'm going to use my heat gun, and I'm going to apologize for the noise, but if anybody can tell me how to pause a video without shutting it all the way off, which is what I did the last time, I would greatly appreciate it. I have an Android. I have a Moto Z4 Play. So if anybody could help me out with that, I'd sure appreciate it. I'm sure I could Google it, but I just now thought of asking. So here we go. I'm going to give it a little dry. And again, I apologize for the noise. Just takes a couple of seconds to dry it. And then I'll go over it with my iron. But that's it. It's done. It's dry. It didn't ruin my print on the other side. And I think it lends a nice character to the pages. So I've got a bunch of those I'm going to do, the ones I just showed you. And that's going to be about it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll put a link to G's video down below and a link to Janeybjournals Etsy store where you can get this kit. And next time I see you, I'll probably have this journal to show you. So everyone, I appreciate everyone for subscribing and going along with me in my YouTube travels. And thank you. That's it. Thanks. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.